Okay, so hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Today we're trying to make the pink sauce, the viral pink sauce, but we're going to make it vegan. And yeah, so let's get started. First things first, into our blender we're going to add in some mayo. So I'm making the online way because I trust it a bit more. And also, this is going to be edible. Like, not to be rude or anything, it just, the other one does not seem very edible in comparison. So let me lift the lid off. And this is vegan mayo. It's just the Heinz one, I think. It's called Hellmann's, not Heinz. Oh, why is this so impossible? I've never had vegan mayo by itself or as a dressing before, but we're going to try and make it because apparently it tastes like ranch dressing. I've never had ranch dressing before in my life, so I may as well just leave the lid off for this because we're going to need a bit. I think that sounds about good. There, that sounds good. I've never tried the pink sauce because it ain't vegan, even though I think it says may contain eggs, but I would never try that because I do not think it's safe. Let's add in oil. She added quite a bit of oil in her video, but that might be a bit too much. I might need more mayo. We'll see later. Right. So once we've added in that, I've got some paprika here. So I'm going to add a little bit of paprika. This one's very spicy. Right, I'm just wanting a little bit. Don't want too much because, yeah, it's me and I'll probably get too much in there. So it's all like clumped together. Okay, let's see if I did any damage. There we are. Right, added a little bit of paprika. Adding a little bit of some hot chili powder. I might definitely need more mayo, but we'll see. I'll just add like a little. Ooh, that might be a bit too much. Oh god, that smell is so spicy. Okay, and apparently it's very garlicky. So our like garlic in the UK is very strong. Oh, I'm not going to use that, I don't think. Oh, it's out of date. They're all out of date. We'll soon find out, won't we? Oh, it's all out of date. Ew, I bought this from here. Oh. Right, we'll just move that to the side and I'll put it in the bin. Our garlic here in the UK is a bit stronger, I think, than in America. Because a lot of people put loads of garlic and stuff, and like our garlic here is like so strong. And I'm pretty sure I saw an American trying British garlic and they said it was very strong, like taste. Like, they were putting so much garlic in. I ain't gonna put that much garlic in because literally our garlic here is so strong and I don't know what it is, but I will have a look and put it on the screen where I found it. But apparently it is a lot stronger here in the UK, and
that's a strong garlic flavor.
Do you know why the garlic here is so spicy? Because we're here in Bath, England, and I don't know why, but the garlic here is extra strong.
And for the pink stuff in this, we're not going to be using dragon fruit because I'm broke and I cannot afford dragon fruit powder. But yeah, dragon fruit's like, the dragon fruit powder is like 20 quid and I ain't paying 20 quid for some dragon fruit. But I got this thing from Whole Foods online, and it was actually surprisingly a very quick, easy shop on there. Like for like getting this stuff, because I could not find beetroot powder this cheap anywhere. However, I think it was about 3 quid in the online Whole Foods, but I did get a massive discount on the thing because yeah, I just went on and there was like a sale on stuff, and I don't know if I got it from clearance, but we do not have a Whole Foods near me, so I don't know. But a lot of the other stuff seemed really expensive, that's why I only got like a few bits and bobs. I got some marzipan and I got some other stuff. I got some not sun-dried, but just regular freeze-dried, not sun-dried strawberries. But yeah, some some freeze-dried strawberries, and this is the final garlic. Right, lovely. Okay, let's just put that to the side. Right, we're gonna add a little bit more mayo because I don't think that's enough. This needs shaking. I don't know what's happening. I'm so weak. I'm gonna come out, mate. Don't know what's happened here, but oopsies. Oh well, I'll clean that up in a bit. Okay, there we go. Okay, let me just go collect the lid off the floor. Not so fun. I'm gonna have to clean the mayo up. That's on the floor as well. Only a little bit for the mayo. If not, you can also add some more. Right, so I'm gonna add a little bit of vegan milk. Also, I don't know, this is kind of like my own made up recipe version based on other videos. This is so thick. It's the potato milk, and I've never had potato milk, so we're gonna try this. Well, I have had a bit, but only in stuff, so I'm putting it inside more stuff. Ew, the oil got all over the label. Ew, this is grim. Oh, you know what I'll do? I got some things from IKEA. I'll put this in there because then once it's open, I was the other day at IKEA. So we're gonna put them in here, and then I'll be able to sprinkle some out on there. Right, sorry, this is mind stuff. Let's move this out of the way for a second. Oh, this is very bright. But yeah. Oh no, this is not ending well, you guys. Seems like nothing I do ever ends well. Oh no, I dyed my hand pink. Right, let's add a little bit in here. Have it nice and pink. Maybe this is gonna be too pink. Oh no. That was way too much pink, I guess. Way too much. Oh, this does not smell great either. Right, so got all the stuff in here. Might be a bit too pink. Let's have a look. I might add some more garlic because it doesn't smell very much like garlic. And also I think I'm supposed to add a, what am I call it in here? Some lemon juice. We're gonna add that last because I'm lazy and I can't be bothered to get up again.